So if we've got some Kawakawa growing at home or close to home, and we know we're utilising it, what are some of the kaitaki kind of roles we'd play in regards to how would we look after in order that it's plentiful and there's always a supply of Kawakawa available to us? We call this husbandry within our military context. It's the process of looking after and caring for and making sure that it's good for fit for purpose and not overused. So obviously picking's one of those.
Picking's one of those things. Making sure that the undergrowth is clear around it and no rubbish and that or other things get in there. Checking for diseases in it. You know, if you see, you can tell a Kawakawa grove that is dying, and it's a really sad thing to see. I've seen it, and it affects you. You can feel it, you can see it. All the leaves have gone yellow, something is happening. And the one that I came across, the people that had bought that land were using chemicals all around their section, and it got into the soil. So you're looking after it like that, and you're harvesting correctly, making sure that the trees around it are looked after, because they are the umbrella protecting it, you know, because Kawakawa always grows under an umbrella of trees. It does well.
As we can see.
So that's the maintenance that I give, making sure that it's got room to grow as well. Kawakawa usually grows on the outskirts of the bush, of the ngahere, so when you see possibly other plants coming up around it, and you just keep an eye on the Kawakawa, it'll tell you if it's not happy. They tell you. Not like we do, but their leaves and their colour and their shape tell you, hey, I'm not happy, can you come and have a look at me? And you'll see. So, I don't know.
Because these ones look pretty healthy, Like
these ones look great.
Inside there,
they look
that one
great.
behind you looks really good.
They look great, and I think that it's a combination, not just of the soil that's here, but also because of the salt sea air that comes in, and just having lots of, and being built on a hill too. You know, it's got good rainfall. It comes down. It doesn't drown it. And it's got all these beautiful big ones over it looking after it.
Nice.
So somebody else has told me in my journey that Kawakawa is the filter for the